Ferrari spent decades refusing to build an SUV. Then it launched the Purosangue. So the real question isn't just why Ferrari did it, it's whether this vehicle actually changes what a performance SUV can be. At first glance, the Purosangue looks like Ferrari entering a market it once avoided. It has 4 doors, 4 seats, and a raised driving position, all things typically associated with an SUV. But Ferrari insists this isn't an SUV in the traditional sense. Instead, the company describes it as a 4-door sports car designed to deliver the emotional driving experience the brand is known for. And that distinction matters, because Ferrari's identity has always centered around performance and driver engagement, not practicality. Yet the global luxury market has shifted dramatically, with SUVs now dominating sales. The Purosangue is Ferrari's answer to that shift, but interpreted through its own performance philosophy. From a design perspective, the Purosangue avoids the bulky look of most SUVs. The roofline is lower, the body proportions feel stretched and athletic, and the stance resembles a grand touring car more than a traditional utility vehicle. Aerodynamics also play a big role in the design, helping maintain the kind of handling characteristics people expect from a Ferrari. Then there's the engine, arguably the most defining feature. While many luxury SUVs are moving toward hybrid systems or electrification, the Purosangue uses a naturally aspirated V12. No turbochargers, no electric assistance. Just a large, high-revving engine delivering power in the classic Ferrari style. In today's automotive landscape, that decision feels almost symbolic. It preserves the sound and mechanical character that many enthusiasts feel is slowly disappearing from modern vehicles. Another interesting design element is the rear door configuration. The Purosangue uses rear-hinged coach doors, which open backward. This improves access to the rear seats, while also creating a dramatic visual moment when the car is fully open. The Purosangue starts at about $435,000 USD, placing it well above most luxury SUVs. At that level, the purchase is less about practicality and more about identity, exclusivity, and the experience of owning something rare. And from a broader perspective, the Purosangue represents Ferrari stepping into a new category without abandoning the core elements that define the brand. If you enjoy exploring how technology, engineering, and design shape the future of vehicles like this, subscribing to Future Tech Zone simply helps the channel continue analyzing what's coming next in the world of advanced mobility. The Ferrari Purosangue exists because the automotive world is changing. Luxury buyers want performance, but they also want space and versatility. Ferrari's answer was not to build a typical SUV, but to build something that still behaves like a Ferrari. The bigger question is what comes next. As electrification continues to reshape the industry, will vehicles like this become rare symbols of mechanical performance, or just the beginning of a completely new type of Ferrari?